Hey guys, what's up and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, what I will be showing you is how you can play Monopoly Go with your friends. So let's get started. One way to play with your friends, as you can see in the bottom right of my screen, there is this Friends tab and you want to click it. For some reason, for me, it's not appearing, but there should be randomly suggested people in your area who are actually playing Monopoly Go with you. Another thing you can do is by going to the contacts tab, you can find your friends, you can add your contacts in your phone. And another thing you can also do, guys, is invite your friends. As you can see, you can invite them either by generating a link or by actually inviting them via Facebook. If you click generate link, it will just give you a link which you can copy and share to any one of your contacts, guys, and if they actually accept the invitation, they will become one of your friends and you'll get a reward, guys, usually dice, for each friend that actually accepts the invite. Another way you can actually directly play with your friends is for certain partner events. There are these events in which you partner up with 3 or 4 of your friends to actually build towards a common goal and to earn rewards, guys. And let me just show you a screenshot of what that actually looks like, since I do not have those events active for me at this time. As you can see, guys, this is a screenshot of the Car Show Partners event, and as you can see, this person has 1 person in their partner list and 3 empty spaces. What you can do, guys, is click on each one of these empty spaces and you'll be able to choose a friend to be your partner, and you, whoever is in your group, will get the invite and actually join you if they want to join you. And once they do, you 3 or 4 or however many friends you have in your partnership, you can actually play together, earn rewards, and actually build up points to win this event. That's pretty much it, guys. There's nothing more I can say. I hope you enjoyed. I hope it was simple enough for you, and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye.